What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Happy Friday. Gonna go over BTC. Currently sitting at 26.3, down 3% on the day. Seeing market cap of 510 billion. 24-hour volume 18.17 billion. Let's hop into the charts. So we broke down from our head and shoulders. We're currently in a trade. We got in right here at 29.2. We sniped it. And currently on our way down to our targets. Everything's playing out accordingly, as we've been calling for on the channel. RSI is starting to get back down to the bottom section. Next chart, we're close to the minimum target for the wave 2 pullback. I think we're at least going to come down to the 50%, but the minimum target is 26K, so do keep an eye on that. But looking at our wave count, as you can see, we're going through that wave 3. So the subwave, wave 1, wave 2. I think we'll probably come down to the 1.618 at 25.6K, put in a wave 4, final wave 5 to about 24.7, finish the 4, finish the 3, put in a 4, and then complete the 5 around 24K. However, we can end at any time that we drop below 26K. Even we can bounce off 26K, but I think it's likely at least 24 to 25K. I'll take profits on my short and probably look to enter some longs. The DXY, we've been calling for this for a week, 2 weeks, all this consolidation. We were calling for this breakout, for a push to 103, possibly 105. And that's what's playing out. So we love to see it on the channel. Smash the like button if you appreciate the content. Subscribe if you're new. No pressure. All right, gang. So that's what we're looking at. Looking to come down 25, 24K. Come down to our wave 2 pullback zone. Follow our wave count. Trust the waves of Elliott. This is the most accurate way of predicting the market, in my opinion. All right. Of course, we can bounce sooner with this sub wave 3. But if you're just looking at it from but your normal target is the 1.618 at 25.6. Put in a 4, put in a 5, come down to about 24.7, bounce, one more wave down, finish the pullback, boom, explode up in a massive juicy wave 3. I'll give you a target for that. Let's say we come down to the 50% retracement. Take a fib extension from the bottom of 1 to the top, to the bottom of 2. Let's say we stop at 50%, which is 24.6K. That's going to give you an extremely succulent wave 3 target of 51,000. All right, gang, you'll never see Bitcoin at these prices again if we see that bounce. And we hold the weekly bullish cross, which we've been covering on the channel for quite some time. We hold that bullish cross. See you later. Lights out. Bottom is in. All right, gang. Smash the like button. Make sure to sign up to Bit or Bybit if you want free access to my signals. Oh, it logged me in. Yeah, that's okay. Up to 30,000 on Bit, up to 8K. Up to 8K on Bit, up to 30K on Bybit. I do the majority of my trading here on Bit. If you make your first deposit, you get a 30-day free trial to my signals. Analysis, crypto news, member profits, Mahalo all plays. We are in a Bitcoin short, making juicy gains. Otherwise, it's $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon link. Also, over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. All right, that's it for this one. See you in the next one. Take care.